2010 Nissan Xterra. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as
premium sound system,
four-wheel drive, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auxiliary input,
aluminum wheels,
leather-wrapped steering wheel. This is a top-rated dealer. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.